Enterprise software like ERP or CRM are powerful tools. They generate large amounts of data. However, this data is often stored in disconnected data silos, making it very difficult to access and leverage effectively. Companies today recognize the importance of data to gain a deeper understanding of their operations and make better informed decisions. But accessing and working with data is no easy task.
At the end of the 1990s, Bader Mansour returned to his hometown of Nazareth. Prior to that, he worked as a system analyst and consultant with ERP systems in Israel and in the Silicon Valley and Boston. Upon his return, he founded NAZDAQ in his parents' basement.
I had a vision to help companies develop better solutions to increase productivity and efficiency by providing innovative tools that enable them to access, process, and deliver ERP data more easily.
Since 2000, NAZDAQ has served over 1,000 companies worldwide, including some of the world's largest manufacturing companies. Tens of thousands of users benefit from NAZDAQ services and use their products daily. Today, based on 25 years of experience with enterprise customers, NAZDAQ has developed its own advanced platform branded as B2Win Suite, which helps companies easily access their scattered data and efficiently integrate it to achieve better reporting, data analytics, business intelligence, and output management. The B2Win Suite platform is an on-premises or cloud-based suite of data applications that help businesses drive innovation and streamline their data integration needs.
We are excited. Our customers have found our solutions to be easy to use, innovative, and valuable. We look forward to leading more companies to increased productivity and efficiency.
NAZDAQ. Learn more about NAZDAQ and B2Win Suite at www.b2winsuite.com.